Hello and welcome. I am Dhruv from learnerfiles.com, and today in this video we will be discussing about list views in Salesforce. We'll be discussing about what is a list view, how to edit a list view, how to add some filters in a particular list view, and how can we create our own custom list view. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, the main question, what is a list view? So as the name suggests, a list view is a view that shows a list. Okay, now the question is, list of what? Okay, so list views are generally list of records. Now these records can be of any object, like for account it is a account list view, for contact it is a contact list view. Okay, so let's see how a list view looks like. So let me click on this accounts tab, and here we can see this screen. Okay, so this screen is showing me some records, and here it is mentioned that this is recently viewed. Okay, so all of these accounts that are recently viewed or recently accessed, all of that those accounts I can see here. Okay, so this is a list view which is showing me the recently viewed accounts. Now if I click on this arrow icon, I can see different list views. Okay, so all of these list views are standard list view that are provided by Salesforce. Okay, so if I want to see all the accounts, I can switch to this list view. Now you can see all accounts here, and it is showing me all accounts. Okay, so this list view shows all accounts. Okay, so from here we can switch to any of the list view. Okay, okay, so now the question is, can we update a list view that is already existing, like this all account? Okay, so can I change this view, like I want to show the columns in different order, or if there is a column that I don't want to show, so can I do that? So the answer is yes, we can update or edit the standard or existing list views. So how we can do that? So we can click over here, you can see a gear icon here, and it is showing list view controls. Okay, so let's click on this icon, and we can see a bunch of options here. So let's click on select filters to display. Now here we can see there are two columns, available fields and visible fields. So available fields are the fields that are available, and you can use those you can select those fields to show those fields on the actual list view. Okay, so and here this section shows what fields are currently selected. Okay, so I don't want this account site, so let's remove this. So that is how we can remove any visible field. And I want to add this active column, so let's add this column. You can click over here, and you can see we have active field in the visible fields. Now I want this active fields in the second as the second column in my list view. So what I can do, I can click over here, and let's click up. So that's how we can sort the columns. Okay, now I want this billing state province as the last column. So what I can do, I can click over here, and let's move it down. Okay, I'm happy with this list view. Let's save, and la voila, we have updated our existing list view. Now the active column is the second column, and the billing state is the last column. Okay, so we can also add filters in the views. So how we can do that? Let's again click over here, and let's click on edit list filters. Now as the name suggests, it edits the filter. So currently we do not have any filters because the list view is for all accounts, But what we can do, we can add filters here. So let's click add filter, and it is asking me the field name, the operator or the condition, and the value of that field. Okay, so I want all the active accounts to show in my list view. So let's click over here, let's select the active field, operator should be equals, and the value should be yes. So all the accounts that have active as yes, I'll be showing only those accounts. Let's click on done and click on save. Now you can see all the active accounts that has yes, only those accounts are showing. Okay, now what we can do, let me quickly reset all these. Okay, so now the question is, can we create our own custom list view? The answer is yes. How we can do it? Again, it's very easy. Click on this icon again, and you can see we have a new option here. So let's click on this new, and it is asking us the name of the list view. So let's add the name. So it would be learner files view for active. Okay, so it has given it an API name. Let's keep all the settings default and click on save. So now see, we have our new custom view here. Now we can add filters in this as well. So add filter, I want only those account which are active. So let's again quickly set the condition active equals yes, and click on done and click on save. So now all the counts that are active. So here we can see we do not have a active column here. So let's quickly add that column here. So how we can do it? Click on this icon again and select fields to display. I want active field here. Let's click on active. Let's click on this add icon, and let's select this active field and move it to the top. Okay, so it is now the second column in the view. Let's click on select, and now you can see we have active fields here, and all the counts, those have active as yes, only those accounts are showing. We can also add multiple filters in a single list view. How we can do it? Let's click add filter again, and let's add let's filter those accounts which have customer channel type as. Okay, so let's select the type field. Let's select operator equals, and value is customer channel. Okay, type equals customer channel. Okay, let's click on done and click on save. So as you can see, we have two filters here, and the list view only shows those account which has active as yes and type as customer channel. So that's how we can create our own custom list view, and we can add filter logic inside it. Okay, there's one more action that we can do with list views, and that is clone. So if you want to clone this list view, like I want all this column arrangement and all these filters, but I need a minor change also, but I don't want to update this field. So what I can do, I can click here again, and I can see a clone option here. So what I can do, I can click on clone. Okay, I can check the I can update the name, it will be active too. Okay, let's keep all the settings default, and now I have one cloned list view. Now I can update this, like I don't want this filter in this particular list view, so I can remove this filter from here, and I can click on save. So this list view is showing me only active accounts. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something informative from this video. For more Salesforce related content, you can visit our site learnfiles.com. There you can find blogs on Salesforce and many other different technologies. We'll be back with more Salesforce content. Take care now. Bye bye then.
Before we end this video and you go away, I want to tell you about our latest website, that is learnerfiles.com. You can come here. We have a lot of experienced trainers and a lot of courses over here. You can go to courses and enroll into any of our courses. We have a lot of courses already and a lot more are coming. Similarly, we do provide customized trainings for people anywhere in India. So you can just ask us for a quote and we will tell you what quote it would be. We will customize the training according to your need. Also, we have a lot of industry blogs on different things like why Linux, what is Docker, how to install Apache server. So we have like a lot of blogs on a lot of technology, how to do a lot of things. You can come over here, check them out. You can get a lot of offers and get a lot of discount when you come to our website. A lot of content is free, like our blogs, and we also have a YouTube channel. We keep on posting those videos over here also. So please do check our Learnerfiles latest website. The link of the website is in the description, and you can come there and check out our different social media platforms like our Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn pages. And please do like, share, and subscribe.